Hi, in this video, I will do together some exercise with you guys. So first, I want everyone to read this question first. Okay, in this question, A, they ask us to calculate POR. So first, for A, we must know what is the formula for POR. POR is estimation of our MO divide estimation of our activity basis. So, number one, they use machine hour as their activity basis. Number two, they are using direct labor hours as their activity base. Number three, they are using direct labor cost as the activity basis. So now we will start with machine hour. Our estimation MO are given from the question. So our M 364K divide estimation of our machine hour. These are our estimation data. So estimation machine hour will be 10K. So everyone, please take out your calculator and calculate it. So our POR are RM 36 ringgit 40 cent per hours. I will continue with number 2. If let's say they use activity-based direct hour. Our estimation MO still the same 364K. Divide our direct labor hour estimated iaitu 20K. So our POR will be 18 ringgit 20 cent per hours. As I mentioned before, our POR except the ML and DL costs are using percentage. Other POR are using RM measurement. So number third, they are using direct labor costs. Our estimated MO still the same 364K divided with our direct labor costs. Our direct labor costs are given. Okay, we don't know our direct labor cost here. From the question, we have working for 20 hours and per hours our direct labor rate is 14 ringgit. So to get our direct labor cost, we need to multiply this. Okay, when you multiply it, there will be 280K. When we multiply 20,000, multiply 14 ringgit per hours. So our cost of direct labor are 280K. As I mentioned before, direct labor cost, the unit measurement will be in percentage. So we will multiply with 100. So our POR will be 130%. Thank you for watching. I will continue as the next video how to calculate under or over apply. Thank you.